Unbelievable off-grid power, the 2025 Ford Transit 148 4x4 camper van. A vehicle that's turning heads in the adventure and van life communities. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just starting your journey, this van promises to be a game changer. Under the hood, the 2025 Transit offers two robust engine options. The standard 3.5-liter PFD-Phi-6 delivers 275 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque, while the optional 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 ramps it up to 310 horsepower and a hefty 260 pound-feet of torque, 400 pound-feet of torque. Both engines are paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth and responsive driving experiences. Performance-wise, the Transit doesn't disappoint. In tests, it achieved a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 6.7 seconds, impressive for a full-size van. Fuel efficiency is always a concern for travelers. While full-size vans like the Transit aren't subject to EPA ratings, real-world tests have shown a combined fuel economy of around 13 miles per gallon, with highway figures reaching up to 17 miles per gallon. Inside, the Transit is designed with comfort and functionality in mind. The cabin features a spacious layout, accommodating up to 6 people. Amenities include plush seating, a king-sized bed, a convertible couch, and a fully equipped kitchen with a refrigerator, stovetop, microwave, and sink with hot and cold water. Safety hasn't been overlooked. Standard features encompass adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a rear-view camera. For those concerned about off-road capabilities, the Transit Trail Camper Van variant offers an intelligent 4-wheel drive system with terrain management modes, a raised suspension for increased ground clearance, and all-terrain tires, making it suitable for various terrains. Pricing for the 2025 Transit starts at $49,495, with higher-end models exceeding $70,000, depending on configurations and added features, and release date August 2025. In conclusion, the 2025 Ford Transit 148 4x4 camper van combines power, comfort, and versatility, making it a top contender for those seeking adventure without compromising on amenities. Whether you're planning weekend getaways or extended road trips, this van is equipped to handle it all. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more van life reviews. See you next time.